In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your transparent object like this. First, you duplicate your layer, then you click this I button to hide this layer. Just doing that to avoid destructive editing. Then you go to your erase background tool and select this. You select this, the limit at discontinuous and the tolerance at 80. Then you erase the background like this. Once you're done erasing the background, you create a new layer and you select the new layer and you select a foreground color from here, ground color from here. Then if you don't have the paint bucket tool here, you can click this three dot tool here. You can click this three dot and select the paint bucket tool. Then based on the color you have chosen, you just pour on your canvas as on the new layer which you have created. Then you drag the new layer below the transparent image, and this is what you have. You can change to other colors by just clicking the foreground color here and choosing the color of your choice and clicking OK. You can do that just like this. You can see before and after. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and watch the next video as you keep learning and creating. Thank you.